Hey everyone. I have the wrong camera pulled up. There we go. Hi everyone. We're doing a 24-hour stream today. I'm going to start the stream by complimenting all of our subscribers and filling out the sub shirt, which will be painfully awkward because I don't know how to write very well, but we're doing that to start. Diamond number 1. Green lights. Peraza? Yeah, Peraza. Nice. 1 down. Alright, so this one is a choice pack. Looking for rare round. And we got it. Yes! Yes! Beautiful. We got a ballin' pack that actually had a diamond in it. It's a purple diamond, and it is Trey Turner. Beans. Alright, got a diamond. This is out of a headliner pack. This is purple again. Manoa? Oh, Manoa. Cool. A diamond's a diamond. Alright, YouTubes and Twitch that's currently watching, Arrow Uprising gifted us a 10 pack, so we're going to open a 50 pack together. Let's see what we get. We are roughly 30-some packs in, maybe 40 packs in. Diamond, purple lights. Show me Verlander. Beautiful. Alright, time for a chase pack. We got yellow lights. Houston Astros. Shout out to Arrow Uprising for talking us into buying a pack through the 10 gifted subs as we broke even. Yes! Woot. Alright, we got a home run derby pack. We're looking for Soto or J-Rod. And we got mid round, or base round. Cool. These are all quick sell. Cool, 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 cool. We have another 50 pack to rip, so let's go ahead and jump into this one. We'll cut forward to the diamonds, of course, if you're watching this on a... Alright, 2 packs in. We got a diamond. It's a blue diamond. Scherzer. Happy dance. Let's go. Diamond 2 of the 50 bundle. It's a purple. Doesn't matter, because here we like jazz. We'll take it. Alright, this is our 3rd chase pack of the day. Let's see what we get. Purple lights. Sale or Devers. Sale it is. We'll take it. The choice pack, we are looking for Adam Waino. And we got him! Yes! Beautiful. Shout out to Bird on Bat and Getaway Day Podcast. This was from a random 5 pack from Conquest. We got purple lights. We got Dodgers. Show me Will Smith. Kershaw. Woot. We're looking for Wilson, Simeon, or Castellanos. Rare round. Yes. Who goes for the most? Our boy CVAC gifted 10. So we got a 50 pack to play with. We'll skip to the diamonds if you're watching this on Nevada again. So anyway, we got it out of that headliner pack. We got another diamond. We were like 35 packs in. We got purple lights. Got Braves. Show me Max Fried. Show me Austin Riley. We got Max Fried. Beautiful. Alright, so this is chase pack number 5 for the day, I believe. Green lights. Phillies. Bryson Stott. Yeah, Bryson Stott. This is the Vidal Brujan choice pack, and we got him. Our boy Frosty Chill hit us at a retweet threshold. which means we got to another 50 packs. We'll skip again to the diamonds. That 50 pack bundle had nothing in it. Purple lights. Big oof. Braves. Austin Riley. Nice. Crushed. Our buddy Pseudo rated us, so we're opening another 50 pack bundle. All right, we actually got a diamond. Purple lights. It's gonna be Kyle Tucker. Oh man, Altuve. All right, that 50 pack was a bit of an L, as evidenced by the fact we only got Altuve. We're gonna rip open this chase pack though and see what we can get. Green lights. Pirates. Henry Davis. Very nice. Let's see what this diamond is. Purple lights. Mets. Diaz or Pete. Add him to the list. Petrick. Into second diamond. Blue lights. Yordan Alvarez. I will take it. It's another one we didn't pay for. Let's go. We got a big dog set 3. We're looking for Yelich, Moreno, or the other one. We got base round though. So we got to Kerry Wood, which is fun. All right. Wait. This lets you pick which one it is. Home run derby, right? Ah, base rounded. All right, ball and out control pack. We'll go piece by piece on this one. Perfect. So we're gonna open a chase pack together. As we get purple lights, Houston Astros, Verlander. Could have been worse. We're having the worst luck imaginable with packs, so logically, we're going to go ahead and open up another 50-pack bundle. We found another diamond. It's purple lights. It's a Dodger. Frederick Freeman. We wound up with 2 chase packs. First one, we got green lights. Probably future the franchise unless we see Angels. We don't. We got Taglia. That's delightful. Second pack, we got purple lights. Verlander again. Oh, Tucker. Nice. Our luck has been awful with packs, but our friend Ashley stopped in, so we're going to rip a 50 bundle while she's here. Hopefully we don't skip to you seeing the chase pack, but we'll find out. Ah! Diamond number 1. Purple lights. But we'll take it. The Red Sox. White Sox. Blue Jay. It's the Blue Jays. Yep. We've hit the 11-hour mark. Alright. This one's going on TikTok no matter what happens. We're on Diamond Chase Pack number 7. Woot. That hurt. Watch this. Watch this. We're going to beat it. In 1 pack. That didn't work. Alright. Never mind. Not doing that again. Alright. Our buddy Method gifted some subs. Got us to the next threshold. So we're ripping open a pack. Hey, YouTube. Hey, chat. Some of us walked here together, and some of us sped through it and just clipped straight to this moment. We went 0 for 50 on that bundle. We're like 0 for 300 on decent pools. Let's see if Chase Pack can bring us back. He cannot. Ah, Nico. Oh well. We open up a chase pack, and it's purple. pull a diamond without me sitting down. Cool. Blue diamond. Ah, I'm playing a hand. The wrong blue. We'll take it. Corey Lee? Yeah. So we pulled the judge. As we were saying, the last packs of the night. So we're going to rip this 50 bundle and call it afterwards because we weren't filming whenever we pulled the judge. As funny as that sounds. Instead, we're going to end with a diamond that is a Vidal. Or Peraza. Or Low, rather. And then this 50 pack bundle, we are going to open this pack together and just do this at the very end of the video. Of course, I had a lot of fun. We made it, we'll call it 18 and a half hours through the stream. Honestly, we hit 4 a.m. and there was just a massive drop off of people watching. And I started feeling like fatigue because I am old. We made it almost through a 24-hour stream. I'm going to consider that a victory. If you enjoyed the content, like the video. Check us out on TikTok, YouTube, Twitch mostly. But yeah. It's been fun. I have so many duplicate cards now. And I don't want to say nothing to show for it. But we pulled a lot of diamonds. We got 3 Nolan Ryans today. I don't know how many I filmed. We got Mad Max. We got Judge. Judge I forgot to turn on the camera for. We unlocked Kerry Wood. We got Smoltz and Wayno to mess around with, card-wise. We sold a lot of Suarez and Taylor, what's-his-face? Scott. Help people get some Randy Johnson, so sorry about that. And we're about halfway through the 50-pack bundle. If you want to know how the luck has gone the last hour, outside of that judge I pulled, this is kind of how it is. We hope to pull a Trout and get the 23rd for the year, but he avoided us, which is fine. We pulled McClanahan. We pulled Jordan. You just watched the video, though. The highlight reel. Made a comment at some point, I don't know if I found it when I was editing this, about getting to watch me go insane as I open packs. I feel like I delivered that for you. So, thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Follow us over on Twitch. Post happy streams. Looks like that. Or looks like that, I guess, is the way it looks like. But yeah, 10 to go. This 50 this 50 pack to end, it's awful. Wow. Yeah. Only buy packs if you're done having every card in the game, because, yeah. There's a good old 0 for 50 for you. Peace out.